Thursday, August the 3rd edition of the Carolina Weather Video. And we have a humid air mass back in place across the region. Quiet this morning for the Piedmont, but I'll show you where it's pretty wet this morning coming up here in just a couple of moments. Certainly looking at a setup here that is back to the higher humidity. Let me go back here. There's your Greensboro Tower camera, and there's the Dowd YMCA camera looking toward Bank of America Stadium. But the temperature in Charlotte this morning sits at 69 degrees, dew point up at 68, back to the higher humidity across the region. These were your highs yesterday. It's still not an overly hot pattern anywhere across the southeast, but we have seen the humidity return to the Carolinas after that nice break earlier in the week. Mid and upper 80s for the Triad viewing area for your high temperatures Wednesday. Same story for the Piedmont of North Carolina down across the Charlotte viewing area. It did hit 90 in Wadesboro. Mountains in many spots in the 70s yesterday. So we do have these clouds continuing to stream overhead in parts of the region. We'll have that again at times today. Very wet start to the day down along parts of the South Carolina coast, anywhere from Charleston up toward Myrtle Beach. It's a pretty wet go of it early this morning. That disturbance will stay close to the coast. Further to the north, not much happening back into North Alabama or Georgia aside from clouds, but we will see those clouds continue to head up in our direction, so another partly sunny day here across the region. These showers and storms in the Plain States, those are associated with our next cold front, which will approach later tomorrow. More on that in a second. So today, not a whole lot across most of the mountains, foothills, and Piedmont to generate any significant rain chances. Now, there will be a lot of rain and storms from the Gulf of Mexico on up to coastal parts of the Carolinas at times. But again, those disturbances largely missing us off to the south. But you look what happens here with the scattered showers and storms this afternoon over the Tennessee Valley. That's the type of setup we will be in tomorrow. So we will have some better scattered storm chances Friday. There's your highs this afternoon. Now, as we get into your Friday, that cold front inches closer to us, so better chances tomorrow for scattered showers and thunderstorms. There's your Friday high temperatures. And hey, Fan Fest for the Carolina Panthers coming up Friday evening. It will be muggy. It will not be terribly hot. And, of course, the kickoff is at 7:30 in the evening. So I think at that point in time you're looking at lower 80s. I cannot rule out an isolated shower or thunderstorm. There'll be a few of them out there, but the chances of one drifting over the stadium during the game, less than 50%. But you can't rule it out. Just keep the rain gear handy just in case. All right, Saturday, I think that front may slide far enough south that a lot of the foothills in the Piedmont and the mountains have a largely dry day on Saturday. We'll see where that front winds up specifically. There's your highs Saturday afternoon. As we get on into Sunday, though, that front lifts back northward as a warm front, so I think pretty good chances Sunday and Monday for some scattered showers and thunderstorms. Tropics, nothing of overly concerning nature close to home, some rather disorganized showers and storms in the eastern Caribbean and the western Atlantic. But what we're watching is this pretty strong tropical wave that has emerged off the African coast. Pretty healthy wave, and a lot of the computer models are indicating this will develop as it moves across the Atlantic over the next week or so. So that's what we'll be keeping a watch on into the weekend and early next week out in the Atlantic Basin. All right, that's it for the latest edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.